What's up, and welcome to Zflex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can go and earn money just from one website that is going to go and make your big link in a short link. And from the shortened link, if the people click on that link, people are going to go and get to the another page and they will go and get some ads, and if the people see the ads, you're getting some cash. Alright, so simple way. I didn't know about this one before, but when I wanted to download any software, I had to go and directly click on another website. I have to wait for like 5 seconds. I'm going to go and get some ads. After 5 seconds, I was able to download whatever software do I need, whatever video do I need. So that's how people actually use this website, in order people download and click from that link. So if you're leading someone to another website or another link, you can directly make that link short from this link, and if people click on it, they are going to go and get some ad and you're going to make some cash. Alright, so join now. Click on I agree and click on join. So I got like a message that is going to be activated in 3 days, and I have to see the spam folder because many people I actually think that it's spam. So I have wanted to open spam folder, click on confirm that it's actually me, and there you go. And I will get some confirmation key. Copy that one, comes over here, paste it, confirm register. My account is registered. Click here, then I have to go and log in, and there you go. It is just going to go and say privacy policy and so on and so forth. Click on enter. It is not showing any amount because I just actually registered in front of you, and you can go and directly go and make the link from here. Click on shrink, that is going to give you a shortened link. You can go and add that into your website, that is going to be below the description. If people want to go and lead from one video to another video, if you want to go and share a link on Facebook, you can do that one as well, from your website, from your blog, or anything on the internet. If you want to go and add that URL link, it is going to go and open up in a new tab, and that is going to show some ads. So this is the way you can go and make the use of this website and earn money online. So it has a referral program as well. So if you go and click on the description down below, if you go and click from there, it will directly lead you to this website, and from that, if people actually coming from my link and coming to this page and coming to AdFly, I'm going to get some money out of it. So why are you waiting for? Just go on in the description and follow the link. It will make some money, or like penny to me. So just give it a try, let me earn some money. And from the referral link, I will add the link. This is the link. Just go and click on it, and I'm going to go and get some money out of it. So that's about it. I hope you found this video informative and useful, and I'll see you guys next time.